And now it is time to talk about one important not issue really, category of Windows setting, and that is really, really important. So it calls account. So in here we can manage the account for connected to Windows whenever we just log in to Windows at the first time, so we can have our email address signed in, or we can just sign up. So in the account section we have everything here. So let's go and see what we can do with this within this option. The first section is your info, and you can manage your profile picture, and you can see your type, user, and your email address. And you can manage your Microsoft account through the link. So once you click, and it'll automatically open you a browser, so you can manage there as well. You can verify that device in here. You can stop signing into all Microsoft apps automatically. And in here, we can create a picture using camera, or we can browse one and choose it. So it's really belongs to you, and you can really take picture live, or you just browse something and you have already and you want it to have as a profile picture for your Windows. You can have a question, and you can have a feedback over Microsoft. Email an account, and you can manage this in here as well, and we have a lot of options for this. So we're not going to discuss about this because I'm not connected to the internet right now. And I can add another account using this button, or add a Microsoft account or work or a school account as well. And in sign in option, I can really set a password and have a password while computer really starts up, so it needs password. For now, these options are available for Windows latest updates. And for me, I really just use the password. I don't use these things in here. So you can click and it'll guide you to have the password you want it to. And require sign in when PC wakes up. It means it requires password when PC wakes up from sleep. If you don't want to, just say never. And we have dynamic lock for Windows 10 too. Dynamic means when your Windows can use devices that are paired to your PC to know when you are away and lock your PC when those devices go out of the range. So when your devices are in the range, so your computer is unlocked. And you can have it and you can turn on it using this option. We have a lot of options in here to do. Show account details such as email address, and the sign in no if you wanted to just have it. Use my sign in info automatically finish setting up my device and reopen my apps after an update. Yeah. And we have the access work or school in here if you need it to set up. And we have family and others. You can add their user if you wanted to. And you can add from here or here. It's the same thing. It's other user and it's family user. And we have Sync settings is where you can Sync your device. You can manage that to somehow really have the data in your cloud and or maybe in your PC. So it's sort of Sync that and Sync every options you need. For example, you change your Windows after a while, so you log in the same account and you have everything in Sign Your settings. Okay, that's all today for this and for this section, and let's talk about it. Let's talk about news section later on.